Here we go. So what we're going to do is work on solving a perfect square quadratic. So we're going to solve it, but we don't know it's a perfect square, but I'm going to show you how you know. So when looking at a perfect square, when we're factoring, you always want to see if there's a shortcut. And the best way to look at that is look at your last term and determine, is that a perfect square number? Now, these are my set of perfect square numbers that I told you have to memorize to make sure that you can understand all the perfect squares. So then we look at this and we say, is 4 a perfect square? Yes, 4 is a perfect square. You can multiply 2 times 2. Then we look at, so this is a perfect square, 2 times 2. So therefore, then we look at this, and that's 2c. That's not going to work. Messed up. So then what we want to do is determine here, from my perfect square, is this double what my side lengths would be? So is this 2 times 2, or double 2? Which is yes, but it's negative. So that all that means is now my factors are going to be negative. My p and my q will be negative. So to solve this, I still set it equal to 0. So I have x squared minus 4x plus 4. And now I know my perfect square is going to be 2 and 2. So it's going to be x times 2 times x times 2. Since 2 times 2 gives me 4, and 2 plus 2 gives me 4. But then this is negative, so that means both my factors have to be negative. Now, these are exactly the same, so I can just rewrite this as x minus 2 squared. Then, when we solve this, we take the square root of both sides, those inverse operations. So we say 0 equals x minus 2. Add 2 to the other side. Therefore, x equals 2 is going to be your solution to this quadratic. Thanks.